I'm Dan Tovey, editor at Voltimum, and today we're taking a closer look at some of the kit available from our partner Wiha Tools. So the product we're looking at today is the LiftUp Screwdriver. What do we like about this product? Well, it's this. Essentially, you have 6 screwdrivers in one. So the end pops off, and as you can see here, we have 6 of the slim bits available. These come in varying sizes of posi and flathead screwdriver. It all clicks into place securely, and it means essentially that you can carry 6 screwdrivers around with you at any one time, saving space in your toolkit and making it convenient when you need to switch screwdrivers. We really like this product. It's VDE rated and it does very well with trade shows, so definitely recommend this bit of kit.